Hey, what's up everyone? Jason Turley here, back with more picoCTF. We solved this hide to see challenge. Now we'll be looking at ReadMyCert. The description is short and sweet. It says, how about we take you on an adventure on exploring certificate signing requests? Take a look at this CSR file here, and then it gives us a link. So let's just copy that. If we want, we can peek at the hint. There's no shame. Download the certificate signing request and try to read it. Okay, seems pretty straightforward. So let's download it here. I have a little working directory created right there. It's completely optional, but it's how I like to organize my folders and files. So if we run the file command on it, we see that this is a PEM certificate request. And if we wanted more information on what that is, what does that mean, we can easily just Google that, PEM certificate request. So it is a text file that contains one or more items in base 64 ASCII encoding. In other words, PEM, Privacy Enhanced Mail, is a container format for keys and digital signatures, usually used by Apache and other web server platforms. It's a file extension that contains other certificate files. Interesting. So can I just cat that out? Begin cert, end cert. Okay, so if this is base 64 encoded data, I'm curious if we can just grab this, make a new file, I'll just call it cert.64, slam that in, and then try to base 64 to code that. There we go. So it's kind of garbled up. There's a lot of junk as well. But we see right here, picoCTF, ReadMyCert, and then these special characters at the end, just to denote that this is our flag and prevent like flag sharing and copy and pasting. So that was pretty simple, not too hard. Since it is base 64 encoded, and encoding is different than encrypting. So if something's encoded, it's pretty much meant to be decoded pretty easily. It's not a real security mechanism. Whereas if something is encrypted, then you need some type of special key or special algorithm in order to decrypt it. So that's really it for this video. I wasn't expecting it to be that easy, that simple, that short, but sometimes that's just how these things go. Check out the description for anything I'm affiliated with, course notes, study guides, things like that. As always, take it easy and see you guys in the next video.